Wicking tub with large fabric wick. 1. Clean a used 5 to 30 gallon 20 to 120 L plastic storage tub with no drainage holes and a lid. Or purchase a new storage tub and lid from a hardware or department store. 2. Cut a slit in the lid, 5 inches 12 centimeters long and 1/4 inch 5 millimeters, wide with a utility knife, manual keyhole saw, or power jigsaw or oscillating saw. Drill a 3/4 to 1 inch to 2.5 centimeters hole near the side of the lid to be used for adding water to the tub. 3. Saturate a towel in water. Clean a used towel or washcloth 18 to 30 inches 35 to 60 centimeters in length and width, or purchase one at a department store. Artificial fibers last longer than cotton in this use. Fill the tub with water and saturate the towel in the water. It may be best to move the tub to its final location before you fill it because the water is heavy. 4. Feed the folded towel wick through the slit in the tub lid. Leave about 8 inches 20 centimeters on the lid and allow at least 6 inches 15 centimeters to hang into the water in the tub. Water will wick from the tub through the towel to the plant that will be placed on the wick. 5. Purchase a bag of potting soil that will fit on the lid. Lay the bag on the lid and cut a few 2 to 3 inch 5 to 7 centimeters holes in one side of the bag. Place these holes where they will line up with the wick. Then flip the bag over so the potting soil in the bag has direct contact with the wick. This is the capillary connection between the wick and the potting soil. 6. Transplant the plants into potting soil after holes are cut in the plastic bag. This is important. The potting soil in the bag must have direct contact with the wick towel. Capillary action will move water from the tub, through the wick, to the potting soil in the bag. Additionally, roots from the plant will grow through the holes in the bag and into the large fabric wick towel. The wick is an excellent environment for roots, plenty of water and air from this wicking or sub-irrigation. 7. Add water to the tub about once a week. When plants are young, when temperatures are cool, and during rainy weather, add water every 10 to 20 days. Surprisingly, it's that easy. If plants are large and temperatures are hot, prepare to add water every 5 to 7 days. 8. Add fertilizer periodically. Add a typical water-soluble fertilizer to the potting soil with a watering can or to the water in the tub. Small and young plants need fertilizer every 3 to 4 weeks. Larger, older plants need fertilizer every 1 to 3 weeks. Slow release or controlled release fertilizer works fine. Both inorganic chemical fertilizer or organic fertilizer works fine. Just remember, organic fertilizer, somewhat slower to get new growth because the organic components have to break down to the nutrients that plant roots absorb. General tips for fertilizing. Follow instructions. Always follow the fertilizer manufacturer's instructions regarding the correct amount and frequency of application. Monitor plant health. Observe your plants for any signs of over-fertilization, for example, leaf burn, excessive growth, and adjust the fertilizer concentration or frequency accordingly. Periodic flushing. Occasionally flush the reservoir and soil with fresh water to prevent nutrient buildup and maintain a balanced environment. By incorporating these methods, you ensure your plants receive the necessary nutrients both from the soil and through the self-watering system, promoting healthy growth.